Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight body part and muscle in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application. And first of all, you need to prepare this kind of image, red background image. You can get it from the internet, and after you have downloaded this image, you can add it to your project. And here I'm just going to add the image to my timeline. Okay, and I'm going to make it align with my video, and we're going to use this red background image to highlight body part or muscle. We're going to go to the mask and then select add mask, and I'm going to choose circle. Okay, and for example, I'm going to highlight this part. Okay, I'm going to adjust the position like this, and then I'm going to adjust the feather to blend it with the body part. All right, and then I'm going to, sorry guys. Okay, I'm going to go to the basic and I'm going to blend it with my video. I'm going to choose, let's try overlay. Okay, and then you can customize the opacity here. All right, and this is the result. If the body part is moving like this, you can use keyframe to make the mouse follow the moving part. Okay guys, and that's all the way to highlight body part or muscle in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!